Hello crypto fans, what a day it's been today, an absolute nightmare. We are all in the red, we're all feeling pain. Let me explain exactly what's happened. My challenge is to try and do this in 5 minutes, to get you the information that you need about crypto in 5 minutes. We're going to have a look at DeepSeek, XRP and Ripple, MicroStrategy, and I've got some bullish news for you at the end to lift your spirits in this time of absolute despair. Right, starting the timer now, let's go for it. DeepSeek, what the hell is DeepSeek? Before I move off this page, we are in neutral for fear and greed. Okay, DeepSeek. I've got a few different Twitter accounts that I'm following here to explain exactly what's going on. DeepSeek are a Chinese startup and they have created a AI which is comparable, if not better, so they say, than ChatGPT for a fraction of the price. DeepSeek has now raised $2 trillion worth of market cap in US stocks. I'm going to explain how this has affected crypto in a minute, but just look at that on the NASDAQ, which is awful. So basically, Nvidia shares fell by 13% and Bitcoin falls to 98,000 underneath that 100,000 support that we had. Ash Crypto put a good post explaining this. Basically, the DeepSeek is a Chinese startup that competes with ChatGPT, and it cost per estimates 10 million to develop, which is a lot less than ChatGPT. ChatGPT has been valued at $157 billion, whilst DeepSeek is valued at merely 0.2% of that. So this has got major concerns about the valuation of US tech stocks. Are they overvalued? If the Chinese can put this out, and I think it's open source as well, what does that mean for AI related tech stocks? It doesn't look good. That's why the stock market is dropping, and it seems that crypto is a lot more correlated with tech stocks since the Trump inauguration and all the movement that we've got with crypto and the tech stocks and the tech companies wanting to embrace crypto. So the whole thing has dropped. Now, Elon Musk does think that DeepSeek are not being truthful with the information that they've put forward about their costing, or at least their estimates of how much it's cost. He thinks that they have at least 50,000 NVIDIA H100 chips that they can't talk about due to sanctions and US export controls, but therefore they're using them, but they can't let people know that they're using them. So there is some dispute about their claim about making this AI for the cost that they've done. Okay, let's move on to XRP. So Ripple, speaking of Elon Musk, Ripple has collaborated with Elon Musk, which has been confirmed by Binance. So Ripple CEO hints at a collaboration with Elon Musk amidst a deleted tweet declaring XRP is the future of finance. So big bullish news for XRP. This is the deleted tweet apparently. Confirmed that they're working closely with Elon Musk as a partnership could potentially drive XRP's value up to $600. Wouldn't that be amazing if it happened for XRP holders? Okay. Rosie Rios, the 43rd Treasurer of the United States Treasury, has joined Ripple's board of directors as well. So, and her name is printed on the $100 bill. So XRP, does that mean XRP is the currency? I mean, it's a tie-in between somebody that was previously part of government, a treasurer, is now on the board of Ripple. So it shows a lot of bullish news that Ripple and XRP might be used inside of the Trump administration's finance. So that's bullish news for XRP as well. Let's move on to MicroStrategy. So Michael Saylor, yes, okay, it's a Monday, and that means that Michael Saylor, how much time have I got? I'm not going to do it in 5 minutes today. I will get through this as quick as possible. Michael Saylor has acquired 10,000 Bitcoin for MicroStrategy today. And another big piece of news for MicroStrategy is that they've announced the launch of STRK, which is a new convertible preferred stock offering available to institutional investors and selected retail investors. I read somewhere else, basically I think it's going to sell it for $1,000 and it's going to have an 8% dividend. So it's more of a dividend stock than it is a growth stock. But that's been announced today. And what that's going to do is it's going to give Michael Saylor more money to go and buy more Bitcoins. So if you are a Bitcoin maxi and you're in MicroStrategy, a bit like I am, then that's good news for Michael Saylor, and MicroStrategy are going to buy more Bitcoin. Okay, let's move to some bullish news. Oh, just one last thing, yeah. Peter Schiff has commented, of course. So the debate and battle between Peter Schiff and Michael Saylor continues. There's my 5 minutes. I knew I wasn't going to do it today. Too much has happened in the market. Too much has happened to get it done in 5 minutes. Anyway, yeah, that battle is still going for those of you who enjoyed the little spats between Michael Saylor and Peter Schiff. Okay, bullish news. Let's lighten our spirits. So Raoul Pal, he's going traveling, so you won't see too much from him for a couple of weeks. But he still thinks that the banana singularity is about to come. Those God candles are still about to come. Just relax and wait for it. Basically, he says that somewhere in here. He has some information about quantitative easing come in, and that means that we're going to pump. So he says basically just go out, touch grass, don't fuck this up, and just wait. It'll bounce back, and we still have the biggest gains to come, according to Raoul Pal. Now, just let me say, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm just bringing you the news. Okay, so another thing is all the largest bank asset managers and hedge funds in the world last week or this week have been on the news, CNBC, talking about Bitcoin and crypto. That's Larry Fink from BlackRock, Ray Dalio, the Bofa, I don't actually know who he is, CEO, and also Goldman Sachs CEO, all talking about Bitcoin. So it's still looking really bullish for Bitcoin. Is the market manipulation keeping the market down? That's what I'm hearing when I'm going through a lot of this on Twitter. It's like, why is there so much bullish news for crypto, and yet we are absolutely getting slaughtered at the moment? Market manipulation, maybe it's a sign of things to come. I just asked Grok a bit about what's happened in the week. I'll just read this quickly. These two are the prominent ones. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have experienced a significant drop following a decline in technology stocks, with Bitcoin falling below 100,000. This was triggered by the launch of the new Chinese AI model, leading to a global sell-off. We know this. That was the DeepSeek. Crypto market saw nearly $853 million in liquidations over the last 24 hours, with 794 million being long liquidations. So a lot of people that have had long positions are selling. Now this is due to DeepSeek again, and that shows that Bitcoin and crypto's correlation with tech stocks has increased. Let's have a look at the what's going on with some of these coins then. So Bitcoin, we're down. Do you know what? When I woke up this morning, we were down further than that. It's not turned out to be as bad as I was. We've had a bit of a bounce, but it hasn't been as bad as I was fearing today. What have we got for bullish? It's still 80% bullish for Bitcoin. Ethereum's down pretty bad, 7%. XRP's down 6%. I mean, but look how far XRP is up in the month. And Solana, yeah, that's not doing too well either. Let's have a look at MicroStrategy stocks. What we're down today? We're down 7% today, and we were down 5% yesterday as well. So yeah, that's a blooming nightmare for MicroStrategy. But then it is a very volatile stock, isn't it? Okay, that is crypto. In 5 minutes or under. That is my challenge. There was no way I was going to do it today. There's just too much to talk about. But if you want to know exactly what's just happened in the last 24 hours, what all of the main people are talking about, why your crypto holdings are absolutely destroyed today, then that's why. Follow me if you want to see daily updates where I try and explain what's happened in the crypto markets in 5 minutes. I'm busy, you're busy, you want the information as quick as possible without any rambling or messing about. That's what I aim to bring to you. So follow me and subscribe if you want to see more. And if you want me to cover anything in these videos, any coins, any other Twitter channels or anything like that, then let me know in the comments. I'll add it to my daily look-ins. And that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.